Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram accounts permanently. Let's begin. So there are two ways in which you can do this. One, you could either use the website or you can do so in the app. We're going to do the one on the website. So once you've opened up your web browser, you're going to search up my.telegram.org and it's going to say delete accounts or manage apps. So at the bottom there, you are going to enter your phone number in an international format. Then once you're done, you're going to select next at the bottom. Afterwards, you're going to select sign in. Now you have three options. There's either API development tools, delete account, or log out. So in the middle, you're going to select delete account. Now it says delete your account. You're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to give a reason as to why you're leaving. I mean, you don't have to, but it's your choice. And then at the bottom, you're going to select delete my account. So now we're going to move on to the second option. If you open up Telegram, you'll go to the top left corner, then select the three horizontal lines. And then you're going to go to the bottom, then select settings. After selecting settings, you will scroll down a bit, then look for privacy and security. Then you look for a heading which says delete my account. Now under delete my account, it's going to say if away for, meaning if you don't use Telegram for a specific number of days, weeks, months, or years, then it would automatically delete your account for you. So for me, it's 1.5 years. You can choose 1 month or 3 months. So let's say that you choose 1 month. If you don't use Telegram for 1 month, your account will be automatically deleted. And I'm sure they're going to send you like an email to tell you that your account is about to be closed. And if you want to keep your account, they can just go back and use it normally. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free. And it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.